Google no longer ranks your page. It ranks itself. At Google I/O 2026, they confirmed what's been happening quietly for months. AI mode now has 1 billion users. 93% of those searches end without a single click to any website. Your traffic didn't disappear because your SEO failed. It disappeared because Google stopped needing you. Here's what AI mode actually does. Instead of showing 10 blue links and letting you choose, AI mode reads every relevant page, builds the answer itself, and delivers it directly inside Google. No clicking required. The sources it pulled from? Tiny citations at the bottom. Most users never scroll to them. That's not a bug. That's the product Google shipped to 1 billion people. The numbers from I/O 2026. 1 billion monthly users on AI mode. 2.5 billion on AI overviews. 93% zero-click rate in AI mode, based on Seer Interactive's analysis of 25 million impressions. 60% of all Google searches end without a click. And B2B queries, the ones your business depends on, trigger AI overviews 82% of the time, up from 36% a year ago. The old game versus the new game. Old game, rank in the top 10, get clicks, get traffic. New game, get cited in the AI answer or be invisible. In the old game, position 1 guaranteed you'd be seen. In the new game, you can rank number 1 and still get 0 visitors if Google's AI didn't draw from your page when building its answer. Two completely different games. Most people are still playing the old one. 3 things Google announced at I/O 2026 that changed everything. 1. AI mode is now the default for every Google user globally, not a labs experiment, the default. 2. Search agents launched this summer, AI running 24/7 in the background, answering questions before you even ask them. 3. Ask YouTube, conversational AI search built directly into YouTube itself. All 3 arrived at once. Search agents are the announcement nobody's talking about. Starting this summer, Google AI subscribers get information agents that run continuously in the background. They monitor topics, surface answers proactively. What this means for your content? Your page doesn't just need to answer a question when someone searches. It needs to be trusted enough that an agent recommends it on its own. That's a higher bar than any ranking ever was. Ask YouTube changes video SEO completely. Old YouTube SEO meant optimizing titles, descriptions, and tags. Ask YouTube pulls clips, not full videos. It compiles answers from long-form content and shorts together into a single conversational response. If your video doesn't have a clear spoken answer in the first 60 seconds, structured chapters, and defined key terms, Ask YouTube won't pull from it. Most YouTube creators aren't ready. Here's the citation math most people are missing. If you are cited in an AI overview, your click-through rate jumps 35% above what a #1 ranking used to deliver. Being cited is now better than ranking first. The problem? Only 17 to 54% of AI citations come from top 10 ranked pages, down from 76% just 1 year ago. Ranking and being cited are now 2 separate games. You need to win both. The new 3-tier search landscape. Tier 1, you're cited in the AI answer. You get a 35% CTR boost, more traffic than position 1 used to give you. Tier 2, you rank organically but aren't cited. You still get some traffic, but it's declining every month as more users stay in AI mode. Tier 3, you're neither cited nor ranked for that query. You don't exist. Most websites are silently moving from Tier 2 to Tier 3 right now. The top 10 collapse. For 25 years, ranking in the top 10 meant you'd be seen. In mid-2025, 76% of AI citations came from top 10 results. By early 2026, that dropped to 38%. The correlation between ranking and being cited is breaking apart. Google's AI pulls from pages that answer the question best, regardless of domain authority, backlinks, or how long the site has existed. The SEO moat is draining. Who wins in the new game? Not the highest domain authority, not the most backlinks, not the oldest site. The page that answers the specific question more directly and clearly than any other page on the internet. That's it. A 6-month-old blog post with original data and a proper FAQ section can outperform a Forbes article if it answers the question better. Google's AI is ruthlessly focused on usefulness over prestige. The new visibility equation. Old equation, traffic equals rankings multiplied by click-through rate. New equation, Visibility equals citations times 1.35 plus rankings times a declining multiplier. Two variables. Optimize for both separately. Most marketers are still only working on rankings. Citation optimization, making your content the source AI draws from, is wide open. Almost no one is doing it correctly yet. Here's what the next 18 months look like if you do nothing. Your organic rankings stay roughly the same, but your traffic from those rankings drops 15 to 30% per year as more users default to AI mode and never scroll to organic results. By 2028, organic-only traffic will be half what it is today for most industries. The sites that don't adapt now will spend 2 years watching their numbers fall and not understanding why. Here's what the next 18 months look like if you act. Your content gets cited in AI overviews for your target queries. You get a 35% CTR premium on cited queries. Your brand gets mentioned in AI answers even on zero-click searches, building awareness without requiring a visit. Branded search volume rises, direct traffic rises, you become the source. That's the compounding advantage of moving first. The 5-part playbook. Strategy 1, answer engine optimization, make every page citation ready. Strategy 2, entity building, become a recognized source across the web. Strategy 3, YouTube optimization for Ask YouTube. Strategy 4, zero-click content strategy, win through citations, not just clicks. Strategy 5, search agent optimization, freshness, completeness, trust. 5 strategies. 1 goal, make Google's AI choose your content as the answer. Strategy 1, answer engine optimization. You need 4 things on every important page. First, answer the core question directly in paragraph 1. No build-up, no context setting. The answer comes first. Second, H1 matches the search query. H2s answer sub-questions. H3s break those down further. Third, a FAQ section with 5 to 10 Q and a pairs, the most cited content format in AI overviews. Fourth, FAQ and article schema markup in JSON-LD. AI reads schema directly. AEO in practice, the sprint. Pull your top 10 pages by organic traffic. For each one, ask 3 questions. Does the first paragraph answer the core question directly? If no, rewrite it. Do the H2 headings answer specific sub-questions? If no, restructure them. Is there a FAQ section? If no, add one this week. Use Claude for all 3. Paste the page, ask Claude to rewrite the intro, restructure the headings, and generate 8 FAQ pairs. 1 day of work per page. Strategy 2, entity building. Google's AI doesn't just index pages. It builds models of entities, people, brands, companies, concepts. The more your brand appears across the web as an authoritative entity on a specific topic, the more Google's AI trusts you as a source, even on pages it hasn't explicitly ranked. Entity signals. Your brand mentioned in other authoritative articles, your author name tied to a specific topic, your data cited by others. A Google Knowledge Panel. How to build entity authority in 90 days. Week 1 through 4. Publish 3 pieces of deeply researched, data-backed content on your core topic. Weeks 5 through 8. Get 2 guest posts or features on authoritative sites in your industry, with your name and brand clearly attributed. Weeks 9 through 12. Pitch your original data to journalists and other content creators. 1 data study cited by 5 authoritative sites does more for entity authority than 50 blog posts. Strategy 3, YouTube for Ask YouTube. 3 changes to every video you publish from today. 1, state the direct answer clearly within the first 60 seconds. Not a teaser, the actual answer. 2, add chapter timestamps formatted as questions. Not introduction, use what is AEO. Not part 2, use how do you optimize for AI overview citations. 3, define key terms out loud, clearly, once, as if reading a dictionary. Ask YouTube transcribes and segments. Give it clean answers to pull from. The Ask YouTube content format. Think of every video as a spoken FAQ page. Your hook answers the main question. Each chapter answers a sub-question. Your conclusion restates the answer and adds 1 original insight. Shorts work differently. Ask YouTube treats a 60-second short as a standalone answer clip. If your short directly answers a common question in under 60 seconds with clear audio and no filler, it becomes a citation candidate for Ask YouTube on that query. Strategy 4, zero-click content strategy. If 93% of searches end without a click, stop trying to prevent zero-click. Use it. Even without a click, AI answers that site, you build brand awareness. According to your brand in a Google AI answer, seen by millions of users who never visit your site, is more valuable than a page 2 ranking with a 2% click-through rate. Zero-click citations are the new display advertising, except they're free and trust-based. The zero-click brand funnel. Old funnel, rank, click, read, convert. New funnel, get cited, build awareness through AI answers, drive branded search, convert on direct visits. Measure this by tracking branded search volume in Google Search Console over time. If your citations are working, branded searches rise, even when organic traffic is flat. Rising branded search is the signal that your zero-click strategy is compounding. That's your new top-of-funnel metric. Strategy 5, Search Agent Optimization. Search agents run 24/7 and deprioritize stale content. To be the source an agent recommends proactively, your content needs 4 things. 1. Freshness, updated within 90 days. 2. Completeness, the page covers the full topic, no obvious gaps. 3. Confidence, direct declarative statements, not hedged language. 4. Trust signals, author credentials, verifiable data, original sources. Hit all 4, and agents recommend you. How to agent-proof your content. Set a 90-day content refresh calendar for your top 20 pages. Each refresh doesn't need to be a full rewrite. Update statistics. Add a new FAQ pair based on recent questions. Add a last updated timestamp. Clarify any hedged language into direct statements. Use Claude to do this in under 30 minutes per page. Paste the page, ask Claude to identify stale data, suggest 3 new FAQ pairs, and rewrite any hedged claims as confident statements. The Content Audit Framework. Pull your top 20 pages. Score each one across 5 dimensions. Answers first has FAQ, has schema, updated in 90 days, has entity signals. 5 points total. Any page below 3 is at risk of losing citation eligibility. Any page at 4 or 5 is a citation candidate. Fix the 3s first. They're indexed and trusted, just not citation ready. Quick wins, what to do this week using Claude. Action 1. Paste each of your top 5 pages into Claude and say rewrite the introduction so the first paragraph answers this question directly, then name your query. Action 2. Say generate 8 FAQ pairs for a page about your topic that would be cited by Google's AI. Action 3. Say write FAQ page JSON-LD schema for these Q and A pairs and paste the FAQ. Add the schema in a script tag. 3 prompts, 5 pages, done in a day. How to track your citation performance. Google Search Console doesn't show AI citation data yet. Here's what to do instead. First, search your 10 most important queries in AI mode and check manually whether you're cited. Second, use SE Ranking's AI Overview Tracker or SEMrush's AI Visibility Report. Both now track citation rates. Third, watch branded search volume in Search Console. Branded search rising, while overall traffic is flat means your citations are working. What not to do, 4 mistakes that kill your citation chances. 1. Writing for word count instead of answers. Long pages full of padding actively hurt citation chances. AI prefers dense, direct content. 2. No FAQ section. It's the most cited format and most creators still skip it. 3. Ignoring JSON-LD schema. FAQ schema is free to add and AI reads it directly, not adding it as leaving citations on the table. 4. Never updating your best pages. Stale content gets deprioritized by agents. The biggest mistake, optimizing for rankings while ignoring citations. These are not the same thing. A page optimized purely for rankings can rank position 1 and still never be cited. A page optimized for citations, direct answer first, FAQ section, schema, fresh data, entity signals might not rank in the top 5 but gets pulled into every AI answer for that query. You need both. But citation optimization has to come first now. What the winners look like in 12 months. They've run the content audit. They've added FAQs and schema to their top 20 pages. Their YouTube videos have question-formatted chapters and 60-second answer hooks. Their authors are entity recognized on core topics. Their pages are refreshed on a 90-day calendar. They're tracking branded search, not just traffic. And every month, AI mode sends them more citations, which drives more branded searches, which compounds into direct traffic. Here's the simple version of everything in this video. Google's AI is choosing its sources right now. It's building habits about which sites answer questions well. If you're not on that list yet, every day you wait makes it harder to get there. The sites that move first, that add FAQs, add schema, answer questions directly, build entity authority, and optimize their YouTube for Ask YouTube are the ones that get cited. And in the AI mode era, being cited is the whole game. 5 strategies recap. 1. EO answer first, HTAG structure, FAQ section, JSON-LD schema. 2. Entity building, authoritative mentions, author attribution, original data cited by others. 3. YouTube for Ask YouTube, answer in 60 seconds, question formatted chapters, defined key terms. 4. Zero-click content, optimize for citations and brand awareness, track branded search. 5. Search agent optimization, fresh within 90 days, complete, confident, trust signaled. 5 strategies. 1 goal, be the source. The mindset shift. Stop asking how do I rank, start asking how do I become the answer. Ranking is still useful, it's the floor. Citation is the ceiling. The sites that survive and win in the AI mode era aren't necessarily the biggest or oldest or most authoritative by traditional metrics. They're the ones that answer questions better than anyone else on their topic. That's a skill. It can be learned. And the window where early movers get a compounding advantage is open right now. Google no longer ranks your page. It ranks itself, using your content as fuel, answering the question, and keeping the visitor. The only way to win is to become so useful, so direct, so well-structured, and so trustworthy that Google's AI has no choice but to cite you as the source. That's the game now. It's harder than old SEO. It's also fairer. The best answer wins. Build the best answer. If this changed how you think about search, subscribe. 1 new Claude lesson every week. Each one practical, each one something you can use the same day. And if you want to go deeper on any of the 5 strategies from today, drop your question in the comments. See you next week.